Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on basically this little TikTok thing here. So it has 4 different makeup looks and they're really colorful and dramatic and fun. So I wanted to basically do like a makeup roulette and just see which one I get, and then I wanted to recreate it. I saw a lot of beauty influencers do this on TikTok and Instagram, so I wanted to take a spin on it and see how I can transform myself into these makeup looks. So as you can tell, I got this blue one, which I was actually pretty happy with, because if I got the purple one I would have just definitely died, because like it's really dramatic and I am not trying to look like that all day. So yeah, I got this blue one and I'm gonna go ahead and recreate it for you guys, and if you want to see how I achieve that makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching. To speed up time, as always, I did my brows already, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal my eyelids for primer. I'm gonna be taking Coconut Connoisseur to conceal all of that in, or set all of that. And then since it's just like a blue eyeliner kind of look, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of dimension into my crease. This part is optional, but I think it would just make it look a lot more put together if you do so. So I'm just taking my bronzer and my favorite crease brush, and then just run that across my crease. And then of course, because I can never stay away from this palette, I'm gonna be taking these shades here for my crease as well. And then that's all I'm gonna do for the crease, and now we can move on to the colorful blue part. So the look is a little bit just like smoky blue liner look. I don't have any blue eyeliner, so I'm actually just going to be taking my wet palette from ColourPop, and of course again it's not in stock anymore, but I will link a similar one on Amazon. And to start off, you don't want to be too dark and then you can't really erase all of that, so I'm gonna just start with finished and then add a little bit of this color here. I'm chillin', and I'm gonna be taking a really small tapered brush. I'm just gonna sweep that right across my lash line here and fanning it out a little. Now we're taking the darker shade, basically following the same steps but go really light. So there's how it should look like, and you can just slowly build right on top of that. And now we're gonna go a little bit darker. And I'm gonna go into LOL, I'm crying. And keep in mind, I've been using the same brush. And now taking the darkest, Mood. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some mascara and lashes on, and then we can do the face makeup, and then we'll put on the jewels and all that. While my lashes are drying, I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe to clean up under my eyes and all the fallout. So that's why I wanted to do the eye makeup first. let's move on to the face. I'm just gonna go ahead and montage the face, so let's go. Okay, so that's pretty much all the face makeup. I'm just gonna go back in with the brush that we used for the blue, and I'm not gonna add any additional product. I'm just gonna sweep it out more since we did take some of it away. Just like that. And then now I'm just gonna smoke it a little bit on the bottom lash line. Just gonna put a little bit of highlighter in the inner corners before we add the jewels. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and put on the jewels. So these I just got from Michael's, I believe. They are like individual jewels, and I think people use these for like nails and crafts and stuff, but they are safe. I've worn them on my eyes before. It's not like it's getting in your eyes or anything like that. So this is what I use, and I think it was only like $2 to $3. You can get like the sticky ones on like Amazon and stuff, but I couldn't find them at Michael's, so I just have this. So how I usually do this, I just take the jewel and then take my lash glue to put it on, and I feel like that makes it stick more than like the ones that already have stick on it. So I usually just pick my gem, and then I'll take my lash glue and put it down where I want the gem. Then I'll go ahead and just put that right on. And just repeat that step. Lips. Alrighty guys, that completes the video for today. If you liked it, please do like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!